Hi, good morning. Are you someone who's wanting to escape the city hustle and bustle and want to be a part of the nature where you get peace of mind every day? This is something which is very spacious in the budget of 1.05 CR. Come, I'll show you. Right here, you have your open kitchen. That comes with an attached dry balcony. And you can customize this area with a high-end table like that I'm sitting right now. Right here is your bedroom number one, which has an ample space for cupboard. Right here is your common washroom that comes with Jaguar fittings. Now I welcome you to the master bedroom where you get your private space, beautiful view of the mountains,